So let's do a few practice problems. Okay, number 8. For our lateral area and our surface area, total surface area, we need to use those formulas, right? So P times H, and this one is P times H plus 2B. Again, that's on our star reference sheet. In order to find these things, we need to actually find those values of P, H, and B. Okay. So first thing, we need P. That's perimeter of the base. Let's look at our shape here. Here I got a triangle at the top, a triangle at the bottom. So our base is a triangle. To find the perimeter of that, we just need to add up all of the sides, right? It's just the distance going around the sides. So on the top, here's the triangle again. This was 3, 5, and this one is actually 4 because it's the same at the top and the bottom. That 4 is also 4 inches up here. To find that perimeter, 3 plus 4 plus 5. You can put that into a calculator if you'd like, but that should get you 12, I believe. So our perimeter is 12 inches. Perimeter of the base, that's P. Alright. Step 1 is done. Now step 2, we need the H. H is our height. Sorry, let me do this in purple, I guess. 12 inches. Okay. H is our height. Height of the prism is that edge that goes from base to base. Here it says it's 10 inches. That height is the same. So our height is 10 inches. Okay, that one was easy. Lastly, the last letter that we need in our formulas is B, the area of the base. So we have a triangle. Okay, that's kind of tilted. Let me lay it out flat. Here's your triangle. 3, 5, and 4. So I'm laying it flat out onto the piece of paper. We got to find the area of this base, so the area of a triangle. You can go look back at your star sheet. Let me just show you real quick. Area of a triangle, so I'm looking for area, and I'm looking for triangle. It says 1/2 B times H. So A is equal to 1/2 lowercase b times h. B and h stands for base and height. So the base of this triangle is 4, and the height of this triangle is 3. Okay, because we have this right angle right here. So 4 is your base, 3 is your height, or vice versa. But 5 is neither because it's not next to the right angle. Alright, 1/2 base times height. You can put this into a calculator if you'd like, but I believe you should get 6. So our area of our base is 6. Really, if we want to put our units, we would inches squared. Now to find our lateral area, we have all of our ingredients. We have P, we have H, we have B. We just need to do P times H, which is 12 times 10. 12 times 10 is 120. And we're looking at square inches. Total surface area, pH plus 2B. Right, so P is 12, H is 10. Okay. Our B, we found that it was 6 inches squared, so 6. I put this all together, I should get 120 plus 12. That's going to give us 132 square inches. So that's our total surface area, and that's our lateral surface area. For the test, you will need to know the difference between total and lateral. Again, that only difference is adding the bases or not. Okay? Alright. So make sure you understand how to do those. You can pause the video and go back to rework it to see how we did all that. We can do one more example. Right here. Number 9. We want to find the surface areas of this rectangular prism, and it says to use, let me switch colors here. We're going to use the bases to be the 15 by 6 faces. So 15 and 6. So our base is that bottom rectangle and also this top rectangle. Again, Lateral area, P times H, that's on our star sheet. Total surface area, P times H, plus 2B. P stands for area of the base. Capital B is different from the lowercase b. So we got to find those ingredients. We need P, we need H, and we need B. Again, start with P, your perimeter. Perimeter of the base, well, here's my base going around like that. Okay, not perfect, but here's our rectangle. If I lay it out flat, this is 15 and 6 because it gives us 15 and 6 there. That also means that top side is 15 and this other side is 6 because it's a rectangle. For the perimeter, I'm just going to add all that up. 15 plus 15 plus 6 plus 6. That's 30 plus 12. I believe you should get 42, so I'm going to put a 42 right there. 42 feet. Okay, we got P, good. Let's look for H, our height. Remember, height is from base to base. Our base is at the top and at the bottom, so our height is going to go up and down. It's 3 feet. Right, 3 right there. Lastly, we need big B, area of the base. Again, our base is this rectangle. We need to find the area. Area of a rectangle. If you don't remember, you can always look at your star sheet. Looking for area. Okay. Area of a rectangle. B times H. So lowercase b times h is going to be our area of the base. For our rectangle, we have 15 and 6 as our dimensions, so just 15 times 6. And when you calculate that, I believe you should get 90. Okay, double check me on that. So let's say it's 90 square feet because we're looking at area. We have all of our ingredients. We have P, we have H, we have B. We're just going to put it together. P times H, 42 times 3. That's going to give us, let's see, 120 plus 6. I believe it's going to be 126. Okay, this is just how I do math in my head. You don't have to write that step. Not necessary if you have a calculator. Okay. And over here, we have, again, P times H. We already know that's 126 right here. So I'm just going to not even bother to write out 42 times 3 again. But, sorry, let me make this more clear. Yeah, you don't need to do this step right here. Okay. Same thing up here, actually. Well, that's fine. Okay, 126 is our P times H, but we also got to add, we're missing the 2B. We said B over here was 90 square feet times 90. I add this all together, 126 plus 180. I believe we're going to get 306. Okay. If you catch a mistake in any of my videos, just let me know and I can fix that. And I can give you like a piece of candy or something if you're the first one. Okay. So that's our total surface area where we added the bases as well. So total surface area, all the sides, lateral area, just the sides without the bases, so just P times H. As long as you know total, lateral, just look at your star sheet, know what P, H, and B stand for. You should be good. Okay, I want you to do number 10 and number 11, and you can check your answer in class. Okay. Alright, hope you learned something, have a good one, and remember to think win-win.